Welcome everybody to this tutorial video. In this video I will show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. So let's do it. Go directly open your settings of your mobile phone. So guys, when you open your mobile phone, open the apps option and search for here for Brawl Stars. Click search for it, and guys, when you find it, click and you will see here this list. Go to storage, click clear cache only and back. Click right now on force stop, click OK. So after doing this, you just have to click on battery and make it on optimized mode. Move here to Play Store or App Store and update your browser on the last version if it is available. After this, we will move to the next step. It's very easy, just you should restart your mobile phone and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and bye.